That is Vintage Fisher 66k speakers with newer dual woofers, 12-inch. Let's see how they work.
In our world, that's what real people are looking for.
Absolutely. Thanks, Chip.
Offer not valid in all states and where prohibited by
Sports radio. Pretty good baseball last night. Red Sox going to Houston, and the final score I think looks worse than what actually took place, but it ends up being 8-2. They got to Osuna for 5 in the top of the 8th.
Y entretener. Dish te hace firmar un contrato, pero luego rompe.
Went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out there.
He's up in New York.
See this thing happening to you. Mis ojos de tus ojos se despidan, en ese día se cierra el diario de mi vida.
Sound great. Thank you for looking. Good luck.